Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So this lesson is gonna be a very incredible and tremendous and inimitable. So I am going to discuss about some WA's word with to. Okay, that means what to, how to, and where to, when to, which noun plus to, and at what time to, and whom to, and how far to, and how many plus noun to, and how much noun plus to. So actually how to speak in real life if I add to with the WA's word. So listen. So at first we what we have to do, we have to add here V1. Okay, if we add here V1 each of these WA's word, so it will be one sentence. First on what to plus beyond. Okay, what to plus beyond. If I want to say what to do, what to do, what to eat, what to think, what to feel. Another, okay, another is the how to do, how to do, how to go there. I don't know how to go there. How to teach, how to speak English. Could you please tell me how to speak English? I don't know how to speak English. If you tell me, then it will be so helpful for me. So how to go, how to speak, how to learn, where to go. Where to go? Please tell me the exact place. Where to go? Actually, I cannot understand. What are you saying? Please, you tell me exact place. Where to go? And tell me where to go. Where to go mean the place. Tell me the particular place where do I have to go. In this case, we have to say where to go. Okay. Next, when to go. When to go. This is just when to go mean you asked to someone, please tell me the exact time when to go. So when do I have to go somewhere? In this case, you can say when to go. When to go? Please you tell me the time when to go. When to do the work. When to do the work. When to do the work. When to have some tea. Actually, I don't know when do I have to have tea. When do I have to have tea, or I have to drink tea. So please tell me when to have tea. When to study. I don't have any concept. I don't have any idea. So could you please tell me the when to study, when to write, when to sleep, when to talk to someone. So this is how you can speak. And next is the which plus noun plus to. So which book? Which book to study? Which food to have? You can say which food to have. Which place to go? Which place to go? Which pen to write? Which story to read? So this is how you can say. Okay, and next is the at what time to go? At what time to go? At what time to eat? At what time to wake up? You tell me at what time to come. At what time to come here? At what time to go there? At what time to eat? At what time to speak? At what time to practice? Okay. Next is the whom to teach. Whom whom to teach. I tell me at what whom to teach. Okay, whom to learn, whom to give this pen, whom to give this pen, whom to give the money, Whom to help? I don't know, bro. Whom to help? Please you tell me. Next is the how far to. How far to? How far to go? How far to go? You know that. Suppose I have to go somewhere. I had to go to somewhere, but I don't know exact place. I don't know exact place. So, or how far do I have to go? I don't know. So, in this case, I can say how far to go? How far to go? Just I walk. Just I walk. Okay. Suppose I am walking with my friends. Mean we are going to somewhere for traveling. Okay. So in this case, I can say how far to go. Oh, I can't talk. I can't work more. Okay, I can't work more. Please, you tell me how far to go. How far to go? Okay, so in this case, just you can. This is the mean. This is distance. So how far mean the distance? It's refer the distance. So that is why you can say only how far to go. Okay. Next is the how long. Sorry, how how many? Okay. How many? This is the for the countable noun. Okay. For the countable noun, we use the how many, and uncountable noun, we use the how much. So if the noun is the countable, then we can use the how many pens to buy, how many pens to buy, how many books to read, how many, just how many if the noun is the countable, how many bottle, how many bottle to buy. This is how, so this is how we can say. And next is the how much water to drink, how much money to give him, how much money to give him, or how much sugar, how much sugar to buy, how much weight to buy. Okay, so this is how we can practice with this WIS word. I think you are able to construct, or you are able to understand this kind of sentence. Okay, so I think you like this video. If you like, then please you subscribe and like this video. Okay, take care. Bye and see you again.